Model, 2016 Ford Transit Custom 290 Limited Eco-Tech Factory Fitted Crew Cab. Very nice Starstruck. Body, white, Crew Cab. Mileage, 136681. MOT, 26 April 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after factory crew cab. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, air con, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys, cruise control. This really is a good looking well-maintained great spec, factory fitted crew cab grin. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,295. Click the link in the description.